Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an extra stop to your Waze route. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the search bar located at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll enter your main destination. Go ahead and type in the location you're planning to navigate to. This could be an address, a business name, or any point of interest you want to reach. Once you've entered your destination, you'll see a button that says Go Now. Tap on this button to start your route. Waze will immediately begin calculating the best path to get you there, taking into account current traffic conditions and road closures. Now, after your route starts loading, you'll notice a menu appearing at the bottom of your screen. This menu contains various options related to your current route. Go ahead and drag this menu upwards by swiping up on it. This action will expand the menu and reveal additional route options that aren't immediately visible. Within this expanded menu, look for the option labeled Add a Stop. This is the feature that allows you to insert waypoints into your existing route without having to cancel and restart your navigation. Tap on Add a Stop to proceed. This is particularly useful when you need to make a quick detour for gas, food, or picking up a passenger along the way. After clicking Add a Stop, a new search field will appear on your screen. Here you'll need to input the location where you want to make your additional stop. This could be a coffee shop, a friend's house, a gas station, or any other place you need to visit before reaching your final destination. Type in the address or name of the location. Once you've entered the stop location, Waze will display search results matching what you typed. Tap on the correct location from the list that appears. This confirms your choice and tells Waze exactly where you want to stop along your route. The app will then automatically recalculate your route to include this new stop, optimizing the path to minimize extra time and distance. And that's it. You've successfully added an extra stop to your Waze route, making your journey more efficient and allowing you to handle multiple destinations in one trip. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.